this problem, we will demonstrate how to find the third derivative.
In order to find the third derivative, first you must find the first derivative of the function.
The given function is f of x equals negative 9x to the fourth minus 2x to the third plus 3x squared minus 10x plus 420. We found the first derivative by using the power rule. For the power rule, you multiply the constant by the exponent and then subtract 1 from the exponent. So we multiplied negative 9 by 4 to get negative 36, then subtracted 1 from 4 to get 3. We then multiplied negative 2 by 3 to get negative 6, and then subtracted 1 from 3 to get 2. Then we multiplied 3 by 2 to get 6, and then subtracted 1 from 2 to get x to the first. Then we multiplied negative 10 by 1 to get negative 10, and since there's already a 1 in the exponent, it turns into 0, so there's no x value here. Then the derivative of a constant is just 0, so this is dropped.
After finding the first derivative, you need to find the second derivative. In order to get the end result of finding the third derivative, you must next find the second derivative. You use the same rule as finding the first derivative, the power rule. You begin by multiplying 3 times negative 36 to get negative 108. You then subtract 1 from the exponent to get x squared. Next, you multiply 2 times negative 6 to get negative 12. You then subtract 1 from the x value to get x to the first. Next, you multiply 1 times 6 to get 6. And then you would subtract 1 from this to get 0, resulting in no x value. And then, as before, the derivative of a constant is 0.
Find the third derivative to get to our final answer.
Now that we've taken the second derivative, we need to take the derivative one more time in order to find our solution. So as before, using the power rule, you multiply 2 times negative 108 in order to get negative 216. You then subtract 1 from the 2 in order to get x to the first. Then you multiply 1 times negative 12 in order to get negative 12 and subtract 1 from 1, resulting in 0, which would result in negative 12.
That's how we fall out.
Blow it up, that's how we fall out. That's how we fall out. That's how